Okay, so number 7 says, let R be the region in the first quadrant enclosed by the graph of 2x and x squared as shown in the figure below. Find the area of R. So we're going to find the area. So in order to find the area, we need to do a rectangle. The base is going to be the x, and the length is going to be the top minus the bottom. So it's going to be 2x minus x squared. So for A, the area is going to go from 0 to 2 of the length times the width. And that would be 4/3. Okay. Part B says the region R is the base of the solid. For the solid, each of the cross sections perpendicular to the x-axis has an area of sine pi of 2x. Find the volume. So to find the volume of this, the cross sections are perpendicular to the x-axis. Now, I don't know what those cross sections are. I just know what the area is. So remember that the volume of a cross section is just the area times dx. So since I already know what the area is, I just need to substitute that in. So I'm going from 0 to 2 of sine pi over 2x dx. Okay. And that's going to give me 1.273. Okay. Part C says, another solid has the same base R. For this solid, the cross sections perpendicular to the y-axis are squares. Write, but do not evaluate the integral. Okay, so now my cross sections are going to be perpendicular to the y-axis. So they're going to be going this way. And they're going to be squares. Okay, so I need to find the area of the square. So the area is basically the base squared. So I need to find this length. Since it's going this way, we're going to have dy. That's a small change in the height, dy. So everything has to be in terms of y. So instead of this being y equals 2x, it's going to be x equals 1/2 x. And instead of the graph being x squared, it's going to be x equals the square root of y. So the length is going to be the right minus the left. So the square root of y minus 1/2 x. And then the area, we're going to square it. So my volume is going to be the square root of y minus 1/2 x. Oops, I'm sorry, 1/2 y. Because we already wrote it in terms of y. One-half y squared dy. And they said do not evaluate, just write the equation. And then instead of going from 0 to 2, I'm going to be going from 0 to 4. Because again, everything has to be in terms of y.